Just put the spatula in the sink. Why did I do that? It's a little bit premature, but okay. Yeah, the food here sucks, honestly. But I actually did go to like a pretty decent pizza place the other week, and I've been kind of thinking about it ever since. I'm like, I could go for some of that. Could really go for some of that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on low, and I'm just gonna let it like simmer down. Come check out San Antonio. Yeah, I'm down. Santi, thank you so much for the follow. Yeah, I'm honestly down. My handle here, so not your typical heart lady. Bloomy, thank you for the heart me. Thank you, thank you. Okay, we got it. Oh shoot. Let me drink out some of the fat. I've been to San Antonio though. I've been kind of all over. My hair's so all messed up now. I've been kind of all over from when I used to be a flight attendant. So, John, number 2, thank you for all the likes. That means you've been tapping your little heart out. I see you, baby. John, number 2, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I can't even believe tomorrow's Friday already. That's crazy. That is crazy. David, thank you for the follow. Lucy, do not come up here to steal food, girl. I am watching you, homegirl. Ouch, Jim. Not the meanies. Sorry, babe. What do I need? Cat, thank you for the follow, babe. That should be big enough. Just seeing if I'm reading. You could have said hi. I would have said hi back, babe. Alrighty. I'm just a lover. All love, yeah. All right, I'm gonna start boiling this water because this is almost done. The funny thing is I'm not even that hungry, but I'm trying to get to bed earlier tonight. So I'm making food now. Oh, I need to pop this open. So get some air. 3 minutes. Okay. Bed early. It's 12 a.m. in Texas. I know, and it's 1:20 here. Literally, though, my sleep has been so ass backwards that, like, I've been going to bed at, like this morning I went to bed at 7 a.m. I was up all night because I keep sleeping all day. And then I'm up all night. And then over the weekend, I think it also got worse over the weekend because I was up all night working on an assignment. And I was like stressed because I wasn't like anywhere near finished. So I was exhausted and I like decided to go to sleep for the night. And then I couldn't stop thinking about it. I was like, oh my God. My Instagram is the same as